For the first time since their split, Irina Shayk is opening up about actor and director and ex-boyfriend Bradley Cooper. In an interview with British Vogue, the notoriously private supermodel reflects on her 4-year-long relationship with Bradley and how she's been navigating life without him. She says, quote, "I think in all good relationships, you bring your best and your worst. It's just the nature of a human being. Two great people don't have to make a good couple. I think we've been very lucky to experience what we had with each other. Life without B is new ground." Irina also admits that as a single mother, some days are harder than others. She reveals in part, "There are days I wake up and I'm like, oh my God, I don't know what to do. I'm falling apart." In June of 2019, People confirmed that Bradley and Irina had broken up and were amicably working out how to share custody of their 2-year-old daughter. The two sparked engagement rumors in 2016 when Irina was spotted wearing a large emerald ring on that finger. However, at the time, a source told People that the couple prioritized their child over getting married.